This is our KO Lee model BA-960 tool and cutter grinder. It's got a motorized workhead. It's got OD and ID spindle, 3-jaw chuck, assorted ID spindles, also pulleys for speed changes. I'll give you a quick view of the machine. Workhead, wheel head. Here's all your tooling. I'm going to bring it on for you now. Not a lot to see. We'll show the movements. Then we'll show the movements, and then we'll show it on. This is your table travel. Up and down. Up and down. This is or your workhead. Thank you for watching our video.